Hi everyone, right, okay, I'm here with Shannon! She's just come back from working on a cruise ship and bitch has got roots. We've had a bit of a chat. I thought she was just going to have her roots done, but no, she wants to go a little bit crazy. So we're going to go a bit crazy for her. So yeah, here we go. Going to lighten the roots, let it develop, rinse it off. We're going to go a bit crazy with a bit of purple, a little bit of red, a little bit of blue, a little bit of pink. Ooh, she's in. Okay, so the mixture that we're using, she loves these. Yes. The mixture that we're using is pre-lightener and 20 gold bleach. Try not to use anything higher on the root because it can irritate the life out of your client. Okay, let's get cracking. Boom. Hi everyone, right, okay, so Shannon here went from massive roots. We've lifted up all the ends. That's a lie. We will retake that bit. We've lifted up the roots. The ends were already lifted. So what we're going to plan on doing is we're going to go for a very dark purple to a bright purple to a pink and turquoise on the ends. Let's get cracking. Here we go, Shannon.
Exciting.
So we've got the dark purple on. The next step is the bright purple, which won't look a huge difference at first, but it is. Voila, done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.